Hello everybody, this will be part 2 of testing Christmas lights. This evening I will be testing out the outdoor ones. I know I've got a bulb burned out here, so I got some new old stock of the appropriate time period, and I'll get that changed out. And these are a bit tricky. Getting this bulb lined up in the socket with this big red cover. Alright, let's plug it in, see if it works. Hopefully that'll be all there is to it. Connection's a little flaky, so I'll tighten on that a little more. That should be good. And nope, it's not. There, it likes that a little better. First set of Twinkle bells is working. Hard to tell on camera, but the one on the left, that's clear, and the one on the right's red. I believe the clear one looks a little bit better, so I'm going to swap that other one out. Both of those are ready now. So now I'll move on to the next set of triple bells that go on the front porch. Double check this cord. Okay, yeah, that's good to go. Put this out of the way and put the next set up. These are a little bit newer. Okay, the middle one's out on this one. See what we got here. Yep, filament's broke. So I'll get the vintage appropriate replacement. That's a China bulb there. This one where is this? This one's from Thailand. So we'll see how that one holds up. It's 80s vintage though. Beautiful. Ready to work. I guess now get into some of the miniature bulbs. Drag some of those out. Going to try out a set of these net lights, see what happens. Will they work? Awesome. Those are ready. And I don't see any bulbs out. Nope, never mind. Got one out there. So I will see what I got to replace that. Oh, there's two out. Okay. I ended up finding 3 bulbs burned out in this set, but it appears like it's working now just fine. On to the next one. That one appears to be working wonderfully. No problems there. That's what I like to see. And then I have one more set of those. This is the newest set. And no surprise, it works just fine. So those are ready to go into service here in a couple weeks. Up next, the icicle lights that go above the carport. Looks good. Next, this is the set that goes above the front bedroom windows on that little overhang with the cedar shakes. We're all good to go there. Here's the Santa Claus lights that go above the porch. Been going strong since 1995. Still working. I didn't expect anything less from those. Next is my chili pepper lights. I've had those probably since 2002 or so. Yeah, July 2002 is when those were manufactured. Still working great. Ready to go into service. Here are these that go in the bushes, the Twinkles. They should work. There's one set right there. And they're already beginning to twinkle a little bit. These go on the front bushes. So those are good. And here's some more of them. There's 3 sets here. Make sure everything's in frame. Here's set number 1. Looks good. Set number 2. I snuck in some LED twinkles over there because they're kind of off to the side, just testing them. They don't look half bad. I'll give them that. They did pretty good on those. And then here's the 3rd set. These again are on the front porch in the front shrubs. So they're in good shape and all incandescent and will remain that way. So my twinkle bulbs are working. My GE random sparkles. Let's try one of those next. I got a few of those. Appear to all be working. Will they random sparkle? Yes, they're random sparkling. So we're good to go there. This strand is from, it doesn't say, 7 of 2010. There's that one. Here's the next one. It's all working perfectly. This one looks a little newer. Twinkle, twinkle. Random sparkle. This set is from July of 2016. So yes, 6 years newer, in fact. Here's the next one. These go on the front bushes as well. Awesome. These must be some 2010s as well. Yep, 2010. Let's see what these are. These are from July of 2008. There they sparkle. Here's the final one. This one is from July 2015. So these have been in service for several years now. See what this one does. Oh, heck yeah, it works. Will it twinkle? Yep. Random sparkling. Perfect. I'm pleased with the results of that test. Can't ask for anything better than that when they just work. And I'm going to do a quick sampling of these C7 bulbs that go on the front porch area. These are those, they're either early ceramic coated or the interior coated C7s from GE. The red, white, orange, and red are the interior coated, and this green one's one of those early ceramic coated ones. They all have that GE logo. Some of them have the 2 dots under GE, some of them don't. Now I'm checking wreaths. This is that wreath with the lights from 1986. And as usual, they work just fine. No problems there. Here's one of the wreaths that go on the house. It's working. Here's the next one for the carport. It's working. No problems. And here's the second big wreath. It's working just fine. Ready to go into service for 2021. So there's the box of lights that go outside. They're pretty well tested. I've got some experimental bulbs I'm going to introduce this year. So hopefully those look pretty nice. So once again, this has been testing an assortment of the outdoor lights. Thank you for watching.